Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month, we also have a segment here where we use current affairs and news items to teach you terms associated to this story. 那这个月呢，刚好又是所谓的五月节的月份，对不对？ Yeah, this month is also known as the Dragon Boat Festival month. So I think we have an article about that. Let's hear it in English.The
fifth day of the fifth lunar month is the Dragon Boat Festival. In Hakka, it's referred to either by the date or as Poets' Day, in honor of the Warring States poet Chu Yuan. People all over Taiwan celebrate the occasion by holding dragon boat races and eating delicious rice dumplings called zhengzi.
没错，就是跟五月节有关了嘛，对不对？你看我现在的客语这么行了哈，
对，
都会讲五月节，
就是端午节，
就是端午节。Yeah, in Hakka, they call the Dragon Boat Festival 端午节 also known as the Festival of May 五月节，怎么说？
五月节。
五月节 ，OK。那当然要吃什么东西呢？
粽子
啊！你这个月吃很多了吗？
吃了，
从1个月前就开始，到处都可以买到粽子了，对不对？
要自己包的啦。
啊，自己包更好，对，那个料可以加得很丰满，然后又健康又卫生哈。There's a lot of rice dumplings that are to be consumed during Dragon Boat Festival because that is the standard item, and it started like a month ago, and will continue for another month for sure. 粽子。粽欸 Okay, that's the rice dumpling. It comes in so many different varieties of flavors. Okay, 有肉的，有菜的，有南部的，有北部的，有客家粽。最近有一个流行比较野姜花粽，也是不错的。
对啊。
How do you say that?
野姜花粽。
野姜花粽。Okay, that's the 野姜花粽 or the ginger rice dumplings. Now, finally, if you've never had a rice dumpling before, it is so tasty, a lot of ingredients, but it's also very chewy, 因为它用的是糯米嘛，对不对？有嚼劲 chewy. How do you say that?
抽起来。
哦，抽起来。
懂 Q。
懂 Q 哦，就是摇起来
，Q Q 的咯。
懂 Q， 你们这就是 Q 那样子哦。
对呀。
哎，蛮可爱的。Okay, that means when you bite into it, it's very chewy. All right, let's review these terms. All right, the Dragon Boat Fest 五月节。
五月节。
五月节 and then the rice dumpling 粽子。
粽欸。
粽欸 and then you have the ginger rice dumpling， 也就是野姜花粽。
野姜花粽。
野姜花粽 and it's all very chewy， 有嚼劲。
抽起来，懂
Q. And there you go. It's all about this festival of this month, the Dragon Boat Fest. And I hope you like today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.